I have the OnePlus 15, and let me show you how to enable or disable super power saving mode on this phone. So if you go into settings, let's just go to settings, and then under settings, go to battery, tap on that. You will see super power saving mode, and you can enable it by tapping on that and then confirming you want to enable it. Now this does a lot of things to kind of stretch the battery life of your OnePlus 15 to the maximum it can. For instance, you can see it says from now it can last up to 1 day, 8 hours, 12 minutes on standby. So basically it enables dark mode, it throttles performance, all the stuff you need to last as long as possible. So you can do this in an emergency. Now to exit super power saving mode, just go to the exit button in the top left corner and then select exit. And it's going to go back into normal mode. You can also access that menu by swiping down and long pressing on the power saving mode button, and then you can enable super power saving mode from there. Thanks for watching and good luck.